Hello, guys. As my son requested to make something special that is not spicy but very delicious.
Daddy, can you make some yummy food for me? Because I'm hungry. And also, please don't make it spicy. I can't handle that.
Sure, I will make a Middle Eastern food for you, which is called Khoresh. Okay.
Ooh, yeah, I want to eat that, okay?
Sure. So I decided to make Khoresh. It's a Middle Eastern dish. To make Khoresh, we need a couple of items. I'm going through one by one. So first of all, we need boiled yellow lentil, 2 cups of onion, peeled potato, eggplant, tomatoes, round pieces, chicken legs, a half tablespoon of turmeric, chili, quarter tablespoon of garlic, ginger, whole garlic. I just cut them into half, and some green chili. Point, I'm just adding some salt in it. I added 5 tablespoons of salt. Just need to stir it for a couple of times. To prepare this eggplant, I need to put quarter tablespoon of turmeric and quarter tablespoon of red chili, quarter tablespoon of ginger, garlic, 1 tablespoon of salt. Put some oil. It's just regular cooking oil. Eggplants in the pan. Eggplants are almost ready to go. We just take to cook it in total of 5 minutes to cook this eggplant. Add more oil here. Potatoes here. Little bit of salt. I'll just close this and wait to cook. Check these chickens. This chicken will take around 30 minutes to cook properly. Now I need to fry these tomatoes. Add some cooking oil. just need to add some salt here. Okay, this is chicken stew. We will put it on the side. If you want to make a soup, this is very delicious to make a soup. You just can add noodles inside it and the soup will be ready to add here while preparing my final khoresh. Big pan and adding some cooking oil here, low heat. Add my onions, chili, green chili, and the garlic. The rest, red chili, garlic, turmeric, and ginger. Now I will add this soup little bit here. After cooking around 10 minutes, I will add the lentils. Chickens, add this potatoes, eggplants, hence tomato ketchup. If you add ketchup, kids will like this because it will try to sweeten the chili that you already added, or tomatoes. This is almost ready. Now we will taste it after 5 minutes. Oh, so tasty! Guys, if you like this food and also like this video, please let me know by liking this video. And also, if you don't like this video, please write in comment why you don't like it. I hope you'll enjoy this dish, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, if you want to be notified when I will upload my next video, please click the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.